How to get more pet slots in Grow Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about getting more pet slots in Grow Garden on Roblox. So first of all, you need to find the pet salesman. So this NPC sells pet upgrades. So buy pet slots upgrades first, talk to the pet salesman and choose to buy more pet slots. Each upgrade lets you equip more pets at once. You can buy up to 5 extra pet slots, and you can also buy up to 5 extra egg equipped slots from the pet salesman to hatch more eggs at the same time. So don't forget to choose the right pets. Pick pets that help your garden, like those that increase harvest, yields, or speed up growth, and also stay updated. The game often adds new pets and features, so keep an eye out for the updates. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.